Okay, here we have one Christmas gift set, a set of scrubbies, an oven mitt, looks like gingerbread chest, with a rubber spatula, ice cream scoop, and a bag of muffin mix. That could be one Christmas gift basket. My scrubbies and my oven mitt are both listed on my Etsy. So there is one. So here I have a hat, or this one's a scarf, and a scarf set that's matching. Took me a little while to do them up. The color is Lavender Fields, and it is with recycled yarn made out of plastic. So let me see if I can so I got these curly whirlies on top, and I got them on the edges of the scarf. Really cute gift idea for Christmas. My hair's wet, so I'm not going to put on the hat. This here, I just chose pink, but I have lots of different towels and stuff. So this here could be a Christmas gift set as well, with pocket scrubbies. Good for washing your face, great for in the shower, great for in the kitchen, sticking your hands in to wash the dishes. So then I also have hanging kitchen towels. These are pink pineapples, and they hang on your oven door. They're very handy towels, great for drying dishes, great for wiping your hands on. They have a little button that says handmade for you with love. They're washable, reusable. I've already washed these ones like a couple times. After I get done crocheting something, I wash them. And the pink set would go great with them. So that's another Christmas gift idea. Okay, here is a Christmas gift set. These are pocket scrubbies. They do hold a bar of soap. Great for washing your face. Great for in the shower. Great for helping in the kitchen and sticking your hand in there to help scrub the dishes. And since they're tan, we could go put it with this oven mitt that has the gingerbread buttons on it, the gingerbread scarf, ice cream scoop, a spatula, cookie mix, muffin mix, and then the oven mitt. Great for taking things out of the oven. Great for setting on the counter and setting the hot pans on. And it is reversible. And now the buttons are on the inside. This is a great gift for teachers, for moms, for siblings. So that is one gift set idea right there. These things are listed on Etsy. So that's one gift idea. So here I have the scarf draped over me. See if I can't go into the bathroom. I'm not putting the hat on because my hair's all wet. So it's just around the neck. It's got the whirligigs hanging down. It could be flipped over, so then you get the whirlies in the back. It could be flipped over on both sides. Then it could kind of cover your mouth. So there is the scarf. Tell me which set you like best. If my hair wasn't wet, I would put the hat on. And I can't hold the hat on my head and the camera at the same time right now. So, thank you. So here we have the hat. I do have a bun in my hair. This part can fold up. And then I got the whirligigs. Whirly-dirlies. So tell me what you think. I must have a big head, or I measured it with my bun, because this is bigger than what Crystal with Bag O' Day was calling for in her pattern in her tutorial. So I got the hat and scarf set from pattern from Crystal with Bag O' Day, and I got the whirly cues, curly whirlies from Crochet Rocks, Tracy with Crochet Rocks tutorial. So there you have it. Let me know which one of these gift ideas you like best. Thank you.